अटीको छोरी अटीको छोरो तिम्रो मेरो मायाको डोरो झन् बलियो कसमरी मै झन् बलियो कसम झन् बलियो कसमरी मै झन् बलियो कसम चिप्पी 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 चिप्पी
Thank you. Thank you. So my one again, another student will perform the song for all you all. How about the performance? Hi.
Hi.
Yeah,
Hi.
so long times we could say again. Okay, one more student will perform this dance for all you all. Okay, another student will perform. Okay, please. Okay, yeah. So, can you see my students?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, she's going to dance.
Yeah.
Hi.
हो गया क्या फिर इसको बैठा
Hello.
हो गया
Thank you, please. Thank you. So, thank you. So one more will dance for all you, for all of you. So, yeah, Anushka, your turn. Another will perform. No. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, come here. Say namaste.
एक और छोटी बात ये इसका कॉल है ना ये तीन चार चीजें ये इनके दो तीन है ना इनके 17 प्रॉब्लम है तो है ना दूर रात के आते रेस्टोरेंट
और पछाड़ जाता है चल इस पछाड़ नेपाली सी चाली संसार मानम किन्छ जिंदगी सी चाली अन्धकार चम्किन्छ यो नेपाली
चिलो आकाश यो नेपाली झुक्दैन चाँडको चिसो बातास यो नेपाली रुक्दैन चाँडको चिसो बातास यो नेपाली रुक्दैन
लास्टमा सबैले एउटा गर्छ Thank you. So, at last, all the strange, yeah. So, let me tell you, today is the special day in our nation, and it's known as Woman Day. They put the traditional dress and the dances, especially the women of our nation. It's known as Teej here in Nepal. Teej, the festival of women. It's known as Festival of Women, though it's not an international Women Day, but our Nepalese women who are deprived from their education, who are limited within kitchen and kid, for their rights, they sing a song, for their welfare of family, they dance, they perform cultural dance, for the welfare of, especially if the married woman, they do fasting for the long-lasting life of their husband, and if the unmarried girls also do the fasting to get the best life partner in upcoming time. So this is known as Teej in our country. Almost all the it's public holiday here in my nation too. But what I like is that these are my students, and when I encourage them to perform their cultural dance with the foreigner, then at least they can feel that, oh yeah, today we did, or we be able to show our dance to the foreigner, and that would encourage them to be the best woman in upcoming time. For that purpose, I try to guide them, and these are waiting for you all you to show the dance. So I don't think that they are so much hungry also. If you are interested to have some more dance, then I can serve for you. If not, then I have to say goodbye. So if you want to see the cultural dance, some more dance, then I can serve for you all in group. So let me present last cultural dance in group, and then at least all the educator will give me your introduction, or tell introduction to my student, and we'll say goodbye. So last group dance would be performed by my student. I hope that you would enjoy it. Bas दुईजना तीनजना बसेर नाच्छ हुन्छ ल जम्मैलाई खाले है ल Start. Oh. Stay, stay, go.
हरे खोला बगी जाने होला लौन मैया बैस सम्हाल कालो भाले धामीलाई दुःख जति हामीलाई आँसु पुछ्न देउन हिमाल हरे खोला बगी जाने होला लौन मैया बैस सम्हाल कालो भाले धामीलाई दुःख
Stay, stay.
सरकारी जागिर खाएको सरकारी चुदा तिमीलाई मनै मरर लगन गाठो कुरा सुन्न साँचो माइती छोड्दा हाँसु भरर गाडी सरकारी जागिर खाएको सरकारी चुदा तिमीलाई मनै मरर
Thank you, please. Thank you.
Great.
Wow. Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was lovely.
Yeah. So.
Finished now?
Yeah, of course. They completed their dance.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, please. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, my dear brother from Pakistan, Russian teacher, Anna. After that, Sophia, Hugh Bees, Hannah, and the newly Nashwa Gumni, and Russian educator too. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, please.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you again and your students.
Beautiful.
Okay, please. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Beautiful.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank
See you.
you.
Anna, yeah, especially thank you. Thank you. You are here, and I have not expected that you would be here. So thank you, please. Thank you, all of you. Tashri brother, thank you. Tabish brother, thank you.
I was glad to see you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, please. Thank you.
So
Hope to see you soon. Thank you, please. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. And Hannah, please. Thank you. Hannah, thank you, please.